What's good, beautiful people? You already know who it is. It's your boy Zany Bambino with Nice Entertainment. We're out here at Emperor's Palace, and I got the legendary MusiholiQ out here in the building. MusiholiQ, how are you, brother? None. So we're out here at Impilo album launch. Tell me, how did you and Aymos come about? What are you guys planning in the near future? Tell us about your music ambitions, and as a whole, how can the culture grow forward?
Aymos is my brother. More especially now because we're working together. Music.
That's dope.
Then
new music soon with Aymos. MusiholiQ, new music soon. That's what he's saying, baby.
So I'm excited to see which journey is able to do into so because then to see where you just and then you end up to a stage like this. So I'm excited for him. I'm excited for everyone. All the laws support, even Nani. So it's a very special day. So music is coming soon.
What can we expect? Can we expect an album? Can we expect a single? Tell us more.
I have a single out, manje, a move featuring Lwah, Big Zulu, XYZ and Lil Faith.
Before you continue, make sure you go stream that. Make sure on all DSPs rather, not social media platforms.
So out manje, we're working on dropping a manyama single before we drop the album. So I'm excited for that, and I hope the support ever with my singles. The owners of pushing to come album. So manje, we're doing very well. So we happy.
I appreciate you so much, my brother. Please tell the people where they can find MusiholiQ on all social media platforms. We are also going to push you here at Nice Entertainment. But for those that don't know who this man is, please let them know who you are and what you do, my brother.
Shout out to Nice Entertainment for having me. Gijima, we have TikTok, search and upon it's MusiholiQ_NZ. We have Facebook, it's MusiholiQ. There's one with the blue tick, because banning.
You heard him with the blue tick, not the normal one.
Not the normal one. Now Instagram, it's MusiholiQ_NZ. Twitter,
You already heard it from the man himself. Thank you so much for a lovely interview, man. I appreciate it so much. Let's hope we can have fun. MusiholiQ, Zany Bambino, Nice Entertainment. We out, baby.
Thank you, John.